Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am gonna show you how you can add audio to your Wix website. Once you have opened your Wix editor panel, and then on the top right corner here you can see search. Just click on that and here search for audio player. And then we are gonna choose this themed audio player. Just click on this. Here you can see different style of audio player. So let's select on first one. Just click and hold and drag it and place it to your website. And then you can change your audio track from here. Change track. Just click on this and here you can see on track. You can upload track here and then you can change the image from here. Just choose image and you can select your own image. So leave it. And then here you can see artist name. You can change the artist name. You can add track name here and you can set it for play once, or you can make it loop so that audio will be play again and again. And here you can style it, design. Just click on design tab and you can make your track style from here. You can change the color, background color, black, white. So this is how you can add audio to your Wix website. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.